description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from Indomie in Turkey. This is not turkey, this is chicken flavor. And I'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, which you're watching right now. So here is our noodle block. 3 minutes. I'm on a tight schedule. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, I'm going to use a new bowl that I got today. I'm jazzed. I don't know how great it's going to work for the next, or for this one. I've got something in store for the next one, but yeah. The next one's insane. We'll see how it goes. There we go. So yeah, this one hails from the country of Turkey. It's in, a lot of it's in Turkish. And you just 300 mils, boil 3 minutes, add sachets, you're done. So I don't want to boil it too hard because I want broth in there. Especially since I'm using my new bowl. Yeah, welcome to September 2025. You've already been here. I hope it was a wonderful place when you visited this temporal zone. I'll have to drink my magic beverage. G fuel. I don't know. I'm not an OG. I'm not a BG. When I was a kid, I inherited a bunch of cassette tapes from my sister, and she would record the radio when she was in high school, and a lot of the time it was on Canadian radio, but yeah, I had like the Bee Gees, and God, what else was on there? The OJs, the Spinners, Rubber Band Man, yeah. You never heard the sound like the Rubber Band Man. Somebody's gonna say, that's Indomie, you're not supposed to, it's not supposed to be soup. Actually, yeah. There are soup varieties of Indomie, and that's okay. There's some really good ones, actually. Alright, so once this is done, I'll have 45 minutes once well, there's more to it than just like trying it, tasting it, and being done. But, you know. Okay, we're ready. The birds agree. Let's get to it. Alright. That's a dual sachet, very standard thing in the universe of Indomie. What I really would like to know, what about the guy? There's this little guy. He almost looks like Mr. Zip from the Postal Service. But he's on a sachet that says Kabe, which is chili. Bumbu seasoning. Kabe chili powder base. Alright, here we go. Gosh, I should honestly get that other water starting to boil right now. I think that's what I'm going to do, folks, because it's going to take a while. The next episode required some requirements, which maybe I should just like leave that alone until soon. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it alone because I need to get this going. water. Gonna go to a boil. Okay, let's try this Turkish Indomie. This is from my good friend Jamie Burridge. Rest in peace, my friend. Okay, we'll try the noodle. One noodle. Noodle has decent chew, decent texture, standard instant. Although the Indomie stuff kind of seems a little more. I mean, it's the same noodle that you would get in your mee goreng. Here's the broth. Faint hints of spiciness. It's good. I mean, it's exactly what I need. A chicken noodle. Well, okay, here's a chicken noodle, but don't you want one that's got little notes of other countries and stuff? Yeah? Okay, well, there you go. So, before I continue, I got this new bowl. Check this out. I am really into bowls, and I ended up having to get 2 of them, but this is a neat one. They just sold it as a set with chopsticks and spoons, and for the, you know, people who just want to have a little bit of noodle, don't want to, aren't like doing what I'm doing here every single day, almost-ish. Okay, there is our noodle and broth. We're going to add chicken and egg. It was so funny. The other day, my daughter was asking me, who invented chickens? I'm like, I think you'll have to come to that conclusion when you get older. Honestly, though, I don't believe personally that anybody invented the chicken. Some people do, though. So, and if she wants to be the kind of people who think that intelligent design existed, far be it from me to, you know. That's always been my thing. It's like, for my kids, when they get older, they can decide their philosophy of life, existence, all of that. I'm not gonna preconceive it. It's like, I mean, no, don't kill anybody. That is the main rule. Be nice. That's all you gotta do. Just be nice and you'll be alright. I really like this bowl. This is working out surprisingly well. I did not expect... I figured the bowl would be too deep to accommodate, but it is very accommodating. And that is alright with me. Time we got 9:36. Yeah, we're gonna pull it off. Because the next one's gonna be insane. That looks nice. I really like this bowl. This bowl is going to get a lot of play, folks. I got this at Asian Family Market on 130th and Aurora. I think that's what it's called currently. I think we saw something that maybe they did change their name. I'm not sure. But, yeah. So, there you have it. Look at that. Wow, I really like this bowl. Score! Alright, rotate, Rotato. Oh, something happier. I like this bowl. Yeah, that works. now for the crazy one. So we thought it said queen on it, but it doesn't say queen. It says Chin Fen Shishi. This is a spicy noodle from China. So what you do is, it says in the instructions, there's two ways to do it. Either boil the noodle for 40 minutes. Yeah, that's right. Or soak it for 12 hours and then, 12 hours. And then boil it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to let it do 10 minutes of boiling before I even turn this thing on for the next episode. So it's not going to be insane. But I better get on that. That water's coming to a boil. Good. But yeah, it's a spicy noodle and it sounds really good. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.